To introduce you to our interim structure, which we put together in August. And this is really in preparation for 2018. But also what we want to do is to be able to give confidence to Zimbabweans that I think as a people, as a nation, we need to start preparing.
And this is really in preparation for 2018.
Okay. So that's basically what we've done. We need to also to respond to the challenges we are facing as a country, both economic issues. We have lots of domestic issues we want to introduce. So I'm going to start from my very far right. We have Mr. Peter, actually my very far right there. We have Comrade Tungwarara, who is our political secretary. Mr. Sunrai, who is our administrative secretary. Mr. FreeZim, who is the vice president of FreeZim Congress. And Mangulube, who is our chairperson of the party. Ms. Martins, our treasurer. So this is the interim structure we have put together before the National Elective Congress we're going to have in January. The reason why we brought you here is that we understand that you are the educators, you are the people between us and the people between us and the world in terms of articulating what we believe the vision for Zimbabwe would be post-2018. Over the last 20 years also, we have been in financial quagmire. We have been in social problems as a nation. Now, we know that domestically, we still have lots of people who are basically not at peace. After the liberation struggle, we did not also try to do rehabilitation in terms of our men and women who were fighting for the liberation of Zimbabwe. The last few elections have been marred by violence, by torture. We also need to say, how do we get rehabilitation, national reconciliation, and so on. The economic process as well, in terms of stability, in terms of job opportunities, in terms of poverty, it continued to worsen.
You are watching ZimdiTv.
From any party or arrest. And we've seen a very dangerous trend that started with Mr. Kasukuwere when he said war veterans are drunkard. And our dismay is that the president himself, if he is a war veteran, he has failed to defend the people he led during the liberation struggle. He failed to come and say, there's no way we're going to get young people coming to call names to elders, their fathers or brothers who fought during the liberation struggle, and now we start calling them drunkards. And that was followed by his wife, Mugabe, when she said that, war veterans are not the only people that fought for Zimbabwe. We believe also we cannot start getting everybody coming through and basically making disrespectful comments to people who still have scars, to people who sacrificed lots of years for our liberation struggle. We have Comrade Chris Mtagwa, who also made a comment, and then he was expelled. Our view is that Zimbabwe was fought by everybody. And the president himself, as the commander-in-chief, as the president of the country, he should not allow anyone to disrespect those who fought for us. Because if Kasukuwere says war veterans are drunkards, it means he is saying directly President Mugabe is a drunkard himself. So he needs to be able to tell him that he is not a drunkard and he's got no right to call anybody a name. And secondly, all war veterans must be under one umbrella.
You are watching ZimdiTv.
kana muchida kuve wokutanga kunzwa nyaya dzakadai mazuva ese, garai makateya pa YouTube nekuklika button rakanzi subscribe. Munobva maita wokutanga pa ZimdiTv News kunzwa zviri kuitika.